guys, welcome back to another episode of What's Up ICS. We hope you guys had a really good weekend and we hope you're excited for our long weekend this weekend. In this week's episode, we're basically going to be having an Archibald takeover. But before that, let's get into our lengthy announcements.
For announcements this week, Mrs. Mackay will be releasing a video about the fight for Christian education. There is a leadership class that you can sign up for that is being taught by Brett Marsh and Gary Noel, and there are scholarships available. After School Care has several openings that you can sign up for. The SAT will be proctored on Wednesday, October 14th, and candy collection for the scavenger hunt has started.
I know it's just like, whoa, those were a lot of announcements, but we have one more. Welcome Harry and Darla to our news team. We're so excited to have you guys. Harry and Darla are returning freshmen, and they are some of the funniest people I've ever met. And you can see now, because they're going to be making some pumpkin muffins with junior high PE and math teacher, Mrs. Archibald.
Hi, I'm Darla.
My name is Harry.
And I'm Mrs. Archibald. And today we're making pumpkin muffins.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut this guy in half and scoop the seeds out. And then we're just gonna steam it in the microwave for like 5 minutes to soften it out. One helper that I have it cut in half. A little bit of water there. I'll just microwave that. Alright, faster.
Sorry.
Funnier.
There you
There we go. That looked like a little bit more.
You're baking soda too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I said everything, right, Darla?
Yes, I'm baking soda. Does the egg go here?
Yeah. Did you crack it?
Yeah, I did.
There we go. One more. There we go. Perfect. We need half a cup of sugar and 3/4 of a cup of flour. That's all of that? Okay. All right, the pumpkin's ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? This is ready. That's a pretty good sized pumpkin. Thank you. Charlie, can you mix that up for us real good? Yeah.
It's supposed to look like this, yeah? Oh, it's coming together. We mixed it.
That's about right. Throw some cream cheese, and there's a little bit of pumpkin on there. Either to mix this up, because they have a little bit of juice on them. It's 350. What are we doing? All right. There you go. Let's do this. Oh, what's your finger? Exactly. These go until like 41 minutes. Okay. There you go. Pop it right out.
Oh no.
You can touch the muffin. You're gonna eat it.
Thanks so much, Mrs. Archibald, for letting us make pumpkin muffins with you. They were so good. Sorry we can't disclose the recipe to you guys because it's secret. Now, I've known Nita for a couple years, and I can honestly say that I don't think I've ever seen her rollerblade, roller skate, or anything like that. But don't worry, because she's gonna learn right now with 2nd grade Scootering superstar, Karl Archibald.
We're on.
Let's go find Karl.
Where'd he go? He's there. He's right there. I didn't even need to find it.
Hi, my name is Karl. Today we're going to be learning how to scoop.
I don't really know how to copy that. Yes, Karl! Okay, you went up there. Did you go up there? Let's try. Nope. Karl, you're just gonna have to carry this episode.
Yeah, just follow me.
Got it, Karl.
Run walk you.
Obviously, you're a 10. Where am I right now, you think? On a scale from 1 to 10. It's okay. I can take a hit, Karl. Did you see the jump? Should I just like, what am I doing wrong? Is it a confidence thing?
I think so. I think you just have to get speed.
Get speed. Okay. Getting speed. I thought you were gonna go real fast. I feel like I'm gonna go really fast too. Here, Darla, maybe you should be at the bottom and like touch her. Good. Sticks and stones. And a stone, it may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. If I were a scooting machine like Karl, imagine where I'd be today. Just imagine.
I can imagine.
I could be the next Ryan Williams.
70.
I'll have the associates call my associates.
Thanks so much, Karl, for scooting along with Nita. She had so much fun with you. Maybe one day she'll be on your level. One day far, far into the future. Well, that's all we have for this week's episode, but we'll see you next time on What's Up ICS.